What's up with you guys? You know what time it is. It is time to get into another reaction video. I'm about to be reacting to BTS Airplane Part 2 Japanese official music video. If you guys would like to check out the original video, that will be in the link in the description below. Make sure you guys comment. Let me know what you thought about this. You guys are all entitled to your opinion. And subscribe to my channel if you're new and you want to see more content released by me. Hit that thumbs up button if you want me to react to more BTS. And share this video. I would really appreciate that. And if you guys got anything you would like to see me react to, just comment below. I do read the comments. Let's get into it.
今君らへ気持ちを還元するこのポイント使いぞテロエアプランモード周りはオフ指図はいらないもうこのままファーストキープしこの席から眺める夜空を埋める方法も休む方法も間違う方法もテレビでやる可愛らしい自慢はもうフェイド条件はヒーローで限界メディアからの恩恵はそっちの方ではセレブ遊びならやってない俺たちは何も変わってない
Now, I'm sure you guys would like to know my thoughts and opinion about this. This is my second time reacting to BTS. And the first time that I reacted to them, I still enjoyed listening to them. Even though I didn't understand what they were saying, I still was very entertained, just as I was doing this reaction video. The beat kind of reminded me of a Latino music type of beat, which is a good thing because it makes you want to get up and dance. And I think that far as the music video, the quality was on point. And a lot of people from Korea just seems like it's a lot of people that are talented that's coming from Korea. I'm talking about Blackpink, BTS, EXO, and many other groups. And I love the fact that BTS, they work together as a team. They're not hating on one another. And I can definitely see them in a group for a very long time, even though they have been together for a while now. I don't see them breaking apart from one another because you can tell that they definitely really have a type of brotherly connection with each other. Their choreography was on point. I love their dance moves. And I love that they included dances from the US. BTS seemed to be a group of many talents. I'm talking about rap, dance, and singing, which is why they have such a large mixed fan base. You guys, let me know what you thought about this in the comments below. I definitely am interested in knowing what you guys thought about this. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and you want to see more content released by me. Hit that thumbs up button if you want me to react to more BTS. And share this video. I would really appreciate that. I really appreciate the love and support you guys show me. It really means a lot to me. I would not be in the position that I'm at without you guys. We're continuing to grow each and every day, and I say we because we're doing this together. You guys are the one that share my videos, gives it a thumbs up, and just everything that you guys do to support me. But I'm out, you guys. Peace.